It is now 5 minutes to 3 o'clock. Yeah, I'm sweating, my back is sweating. So this is the one that I bought. This is a keychain. They're actually the same, but this one is the old one, and this one I'm going to make new one for the microphone, because I'm going to make this one smaller. So yeah, that's why I bought this one. And with the help of this, the sound is going to be better. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, this is how it is today. I don't know the time, but when I start to pedal, when I left the house, it was 5:39. Yeah, and I'm going to work. My duty today is 6 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, we go. It looks, the water is really calm, beautiful, and the wind breeze is just right. Not really cold, just good. I wonder why there are so many cars in here today. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. I signed out today at 2:15, and there are some people that are waiting for me in the Albura Marina. I am supposed to meet them near to my workplace, but it was raining a while ago. Not a while ago, but during around 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, it was raining. And then the sky is now like this. Yeah, blue with some clouds, and there's no sign of rain. As you notice, the ground is still wet. I don't know if they are a family or husband and wife. Yeah, they are coming from Sydney. They arrived yesterday. They stay in one hotel in in Nelson Bay. I am supposed to meet them yesterday, but it was so late last night. That's why I suggested to meet them today. What a feeling, can't believe it. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Many people along the way, they are having their dog. Actually, I received 3 messages yesterday. One of them is these people that I am going to meet now, and the other two they are planning to come here, and I told them that just send me a message and I'm free after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh, they are closed again. I think they are open only until exactly 2 o'clock. Many people are fishing this time. I believe all these cars, the owners, they are fishing, or maybe eating in this restaurant. I don't know. Okay, the guys are in the Bob's restaurant. No, Bob's Fish and Chips.
Binabati ko yung family ko sa Cebu. Yung brother ko si Lowell Soliano sa Cavite, at saka yung project ko dati sa Cebu sa Mandani Bay, Mandaue. More power.
It was so good to meet them. Yeah, they are nurse and they are engineer. Nice. Also, one of them, actually, yeah, two of them, the husband and wife, are coming from Dubai, so we can relate the same thing that we've seen in Dubai. Oh, look at this. There are two beautiful motorcycle, Harley Davidson. They gave me this yeah, something like bread that I need to bake still. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we are now home. It's already 4:14. Yeah, thank you, John Paul, for giving me, for visiting the place and visiting me also. So they gave me this baked macaroni. Thank you. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. Yeah, we're going down there. Early hours like this, I own the road. Oh, look at this. This looks so nice. The color of the water is like a pink red because of the sun that is going to rise on that side. Amazing, look at that, beautiful. If you are here, for sure you will be amazed that too. It is now 5:43, so it means that I still have 17 minutes to start my duty. But I'm going to work straight now because yeah, I want to clean the locker room. I feel that I am responsible to clean the locker room and not the housekeeping, because I put my bike in the locker room, and for sure this bike is one of the source of the mess inside the locker. And we'll see you later. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now, but we are going first to the Salamander shopping center. We are going to Salamander Bay because we are going to buy a new bike seat. And another reason why I am going to Salamander Bay is to buy a battery for the watch, because Rafael gave me this G-Shock watch. Yeah, nice. Yo, we are now here in Salamander Bay area in McDonald's. We are first going to the bike shop, which is that one. Oh, look at this. This is the watch that Rafael gave me. This is G-Shock and looks very beautiful. Looks expensive too. At the moment there is no battery. We are now in the Salamander Bay Square. Yeah, I went to the bike shop, but yeah, look at this. This is broken. They don't have the comfy one. They have the regular seat, and the regular one is usually not comfortable. Yeah, because you know, the original one of this bike was really not comfortable, so I changed it. I replaced it with this one. That's the one. So I will be coming back to that later to pick it up. It's just oh, I forgot, $9. Yeah, I really forgot how much, but it's okay. It's not more than $50. And you know, the guy there suggested to make it like a waterproof, rainproof, but it is going to takes more time. They will bring it to Sydney. You have to do that. But I said, just make it, just put the battery. Okay, we are now here in the Kmart bike accessories. I don't know if I'm going to take it, or maybe this one. This is just $15, but this looks small. Or maybe I'll just buy this one. This is just a saddle cover. I'm decided I'm just going to take this one. No, actually I'm going to take it. This is $15. Yeah, if you remember, I always check here the watches. Sometimes they have 50% discount, like this one. Before it was $279 and now it's just $167. Yeah, it's a G-Shock. They always have sale. All of them are good looking watches. Yeah, like what I've said to you before, I never had the watch. Awesome, I have now a watch. Amazing. According to the guy, there is a 2 years warranty. Amazing. Whoa, look at that. I have watch. Amazing. Yeah, really good looking. I am happy because like what I've said, this is my first time to have a watch. I have watched before, the one that is coming from Armani Hotel. Yeah, because the Armani Hotel, when we open, they gave us a souvenir. They gave us Armani products. The one that I got is the watch, but it's for lady. So I gave it to my sister. The other guys, they got perfume. Yeah, mostly watches. And oh, this repair is $24.95. Yeah, and the battery and the fittings of the battery. This time we are going to this side of the bay. Yeah, many people are picking up their kids after school hour now. And this one is the Tomari High School. And inside there are some alpaca. You see those? They are alpaca. I don't know alpaca before. Yeah, it was my first time to see here in Australia. Oh, oh, look at that. There is one kangaroo. Amazing. Maybe he is planning to cross to the other side. Nice. Oh, look at this flower. And there are more in here. Look at that. See that? I rarely go to this way because there's nothing much to see in here. Yeah, this is highway. You see that road? Yeah, that's the highway. And the other side is like that. Amazing. I'm very happy with this watch.